Welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing 13 cool gadgets, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. Coffee Mug Warmer. Coffee Mug Warmer. Keep every sip warm with our Coffee Mug Warmer. With unparalleled heating speed, this warmer offers 4 customizable temperature settings: 131 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 167 degrees Fahrenheit, and 185 degrees Fahrenheit to match your perfect preference. The ample heating panel accommodates most cups, from glass to stainless steel. Enjoy worry-free warmth with its smart auto shut-off timer, adjustable from 1 to 12 hours. Whether at work, reading, or relaxing, this coffee warmer ensures your drink stays at the ideal temperature while enhancing safety and efficiency. Number 2. Electric Heater. Electric heater. Experience warmth and ambience with our electric heater. This 2-in-1 heater and realistic fake fireplace delivers dust-free, smoke-free 3D flames. With 4 modes: 750W heat, 1500W heat, flame only, and heat only, this heater adapts to any room. Its lightweight, portable design with a durable carry handle offers convenience. Energy-efficient thermostat control and dual safety features, including a tip-over switch and overheat protection, ensure safe use. Transform your living room, bedroom, or office into a cozy retreat with this versatile space heater. Number 3. Watch Winder. Watch Winder. Elevate your watch care with our advanced watch winder. This multifunctional device accommodates 1 to 2 watches, offering 3 shaking directions and 4 rotation modes. The quiet Japanese motor ensures smooth operation without disturbing your peace. Its soft, adjustable pillows fit various watch sizes, while the elegant wooden box with a high-gloss ebony grain finish adds a touch of luxury. Maintain your watch's accuracy with precise TPD, turns per day, and rotation settings. Number 4. Multi-Tool Pen Set. Multi-Tool Pen Set. Unleash creativity and practicality with our Multi-Tool Pen Set. This 2-pack pen set offers 8 tools in one: LED light, stylus, rulers, bubble level, bottle opener, flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, and a ballpoint pen. Built with a heavy-duty aluminum metal body, it includes 2 ink refills for long-lasting use. Perfect for DIY projects, home improvement, or as a unique gift for handymen, tech enthusiasts, and more. The EDC pen is a thoughtful choice for Christmas, birthdays, or any special occasion. Number 5. Jar Vacuum Sealer. Jar Vacuum Sealer. Preserve freshness effortlessly with our Jar Vacuum Sealer. Powered by a robust 7.4V motor, it offers -80 kilopascals vacuum power and up to 500 cycles per charge. The compact, portable design is perfect for travel or home use. Featuring a built-in LED display and one-click operation, it seals jars in 15 to 35 seconds. The versatile kit includes regular and wide-mouth lids, a converter, and essential accessories. Number 6. Electric Towel Warmer. Electric Towel Warmer. Embrace luxury with our sleek Electric Towel Warmer. Crafted from 304 stainless steel, its matte black finish complements any decor. The 110V190W heater features a smart temperature control panel with 5 heating levels and 24 timer settings. Control remotely via Wi-Fi and the Smart Life app, or use voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant. Offering hardwired and plug-in installation options, this waterproof towel warmer ensures cozy, dry towels after every bath. Number 7. Smart Lock 4th Generation. Smart Lock 4th Generation. Upgrade your home security with the Smart Lock 4th Generation. This innovative lock transforms your existing deadbolt into a smart, keyless entry system. Easily share access through the August app. No more hidden keys under doormats. Auto lock and unlock features offer hands-free convenience. The built-in Wi-Fi connects seamlessly with Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and more. Installation takes just 10 minutes, maintaining your door's exterior appeal. Enjoy award-winning security technology that keeps your home safe and smart. Number 8. Lighting Kit. Lighting Kit. Transform any space with our versatile lighting kit. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor settings, this smart lighting system offers full control via the COSORI Smart Hub, sold separately. Set schedules, create lighting scenes, and enjoy geo-fencing capabilities that turn lights on and off based on your location. With sunset tracking, the lights automatically adjust to seasonal changes. Compatible with leading smart home systems like Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and more, this lighting kit adds convenience and ambience. Number 9. COSORI Air Fryer Pro. COSORI Air Fryer Pro. Cook healthier meals with the COSORI Air Fryer Pro. Featuring app and voice control via the Vide Sync app, it offers 200+ online recipes and presets for flawless dishes every time. The air fryer uses 85% less oil than traditional frying, supporting your wellness goals. With 12 cooking functions, including preheating and keep warm, preparing meals is effortless. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Number 10. Smart Solar Spotlights. Smart Solar Spotlights brighten your outdoors with our Smart Solar Spotlights. Choose from 16 million colors and tunable white light to match any mood or setting. Control through the AI.app, adjusting brightness and lighting modes, motion, luminance, and continuous. Enjoy dynamic light shows and preset scenes that sync with your music for outdoor parties. The hubless app control offers convenience, while Alexa and Google Home compatibility provides smart home integration. Number 11. Smart Chess Board. Smart Chess Board. Revolutionize your chess experience with our Smart Chess Board. The Chestnut Evo offers powerful engines like Stockfish and Maya, along with customizable gameplay settings. Accurate piece recognition, colorful LED indicators, and support for third-party apps elevate every match. Compatible with popular chess platforms, it delivers advanced analysis and versatile game modes. Continuously evolving, the Chestnut Evo introduces new features regularly. Whether for casual play or professional training, this smart chess board offers endless possibilities for chess enthusiasts. Number 12. Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Achieve culinary perfection with our Sous Vide Precision Cooker. This powerful 1100W cooker circulates water at precise temperatures, ensuring your meals are cooked to perfection every time. The Anova app offers thousands of recipes and remote control via your smartphone. Whether preparing chicken, beef, vegetables, or more, Sous Vide cooking locks in flavors and nutrients. Number 13. Bluetooth Tracker. Lose your valuables again with our Bluetooth Tracker. Attach it to items like keys, bags, or electronics, and easily locate them with the free Tile app. The powerful SOS feature discreetly alerts loved ones in unsafe situations. Use the tracker to find your phone, even when it's on silent. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.